Hi guys! Welcome sa Love Math, and for today's video, we will be learning how to solve the oblique triangles using law of sines. So you know already the formula, right? We have here A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. So ito yung formula na gagamitin natin as we try to find for the missing parts of the given triangle. So, given tayo dito ng triangle A, B, C. Okay, ano-ano yung mga measurements natin? We have angle A, which is 50 degrees. Angle C, which is 70 degrees. And an included side. Bakit siya tinawag na included side? Kasi nasa gitna siya ng dalawang angles. So, we have here 12 centimeters. So, we have angle A, which is 50 degrees. An included side, which is 12 centimeters. Anong side siya? Okay, dahil ito ay opposite ni angle B. So, we have side B, which is 12 centimeters. And an angle again, which is angle C, that is 70 degrees. Okay, so given tayo ng angle, included side, and angle. So, this given or this problem is an ASA case or ASA case. Okay, so how are we going to solve if given tayo ng gantong case? Okay, first is to identify the third angle. Okay, bakit? Alam natin na ang total measure ng mga interior angles sa triangle ay 180, right? Since given na tayo ng dalawang angles, i-add lang natin yan, tapos i-minus natin kay 180, makukuha na natin yung third angle. Okay? So, ang third angle natin will be angle B is equal to 180 degrees, yung total ng mga angles sa triangle. Okay, minus yung dalawang given angles, which is angle A plus angle C. Okay? So, you will have na 180 degrees minus what is angle A? Ito. 50 degrees. Okay. Plus angle C, which is 70 degrees. Okay. So, you will have 180 degrees minus what is 50 degrees plus 70 degrees? That's right. 120 degrees. So, 180 minus 120, you will have 60 degrees. This will be now your angle B. Okay. Sige, i-organize natin yung mga given, ha? Angle A is equal to 50 degrees. Given ba tayo ng side A? Hindi. So, side A is missing. Okay, angle B is how many? Ito, 60 degrees. And then, side B is equal to this one, 12 centimeters. Okay, angle C is equal to how many? This one, 70 degrees. And side C is equal to wala, missing din siya. So, nawawalan tayo ng side A and side C. So, kahit alin dyan, pwede nung unahin i-solve. Pero sige, let's start with side A. Okay? So, dahil missing si side A natin, and given tayo ng angle A, angle B, and side B, we can use this formula. Etong pair na to. Okay? So, we are going to have A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. O, yan yung formula natin, ha? Substitute natin. Wala tayong value for A, so we copy A over sine. Ano yung angle A natin? 50. Is equal to B, which is 12 centimeters over sine. What is your angle B? 60 degrees. Okay, pag ganyan na yung itsura, anong gagawin natin? We just cross multiply. Okay, so you have A times sine 60 degrees is equal to 12 times sine 50 degrees. Okay, and then ang kailangan lang natin ay A. So we divide both sides by sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees. So pwede natin makancel. So what will remain is just A is equal to 12 sine 50 degrees over sine 60 degrees. Now, para ma-solve to, kailangan nyo ng scientific calculator. Okay? So, kailangan ko ng scientific calculator. O, ito yung sa akin, ha. O, kayo, dyan kayo sa scientific calculator nyo. Dapat pareho yung answer natin, ha. Kung yung scientific calculator nyo ay may yung fraction, yung paganto, o, pindutin nyo muna yan. Saka nyo pindutin itong nasa numerator and then nasa denominator. Okay? O, now, paano natin yan gagawin? Erase ko lang to. Eto, since wala naman tong fraction na symbol, straight lang tayo. Okay, so we have 12 sine 50. Okay. Ayan. And then, divided by, okay, sine 60. Sine 60. Okay. So, the answer will be 10.614,62317. Pero, mag-round off na tayo to the nearest hundreds place. O, 2 decimal places lang tayo. So, our A will be approximately, ilan? 10.61. Dahil ang katabi ng 1 ay 4, stay siya as 1. So, 10.61 centimeters. So, eto ngayon yung side A natin. Tapos na ba tayo? Hindi pa, kasi meron pa tayong side C. So, given tayo ngayon ng, eto, B and C naman. So, ang formula na gagamitin natin, eto naman. Okay? So, we have B over sine B is equal to C over sine C naman yung formula natin. Again, ano yung B natin? Sige, liitan natin. We have 12 centimeters over sine B. Ano ang sine B natin? Ang angle B ay 60. So, 60 is equal to C. Hinahanap natin yan. And then, angle niya ay 70. So, sine 70. O, degrees. Cross multiply. So, you'll have 12 sine 70 degrees is equal to C times sine 60 degrees. Dahil C lang yung need natin, we have to divide both sides by sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees. O, cancel na to. So, you will have, dito na natin isulat si C. C is equal to 12 times sine 70 degrees over sine 60 degrees. O, solve natin. Kunin ng calculator. We have 12 sine 70, okay, divided by sine 60 degrees. Okay, so you will have 13.02. Ang katabi ng 2 ay 0, so stay siya as 2. So, our C will be approximately 13.02 centimeters. Okay, so we have our value for B, which is 60 degrees. For our side A, which is 10.61 centimeters. And for side C, which is 13.02 centimeters. And we're done.